I got a flat tire. Oh darn, a flat tire. Good thing I got the safety insurance. $15 saved me a good amount of money today. Always get your travel insurance. Say hi. You got it down to an art. I'm gonna throw you on my next YouTube. That okay?
Yeah. Not a problem.
You're gonna be famous. How to put a tire on?
Oh yeah.
Now we got some bonus information. We got Eric here. Showing off his handy skills. I think you give me those tools and I still wouldn't be able to do it.
A lot of people think it's hard. It's just technique.
Always get the insurance.
When driving a U-Haul, always. $15 could save you. I never pay for warranties, but when driving any vehicle, better safe than sorry, because it's not always your fault. It could be a random passerby, like this metal pole.
Oh yeah.
See, on a motorcycle, I'd see all that stuff. You put a tire on in like not even 2 minutes. Here we go, Eric. How fast can you get that tire on? You're gonna make it on the Formula One team. There's your chance you're gonna be spotted. It's Eric, the tire man. What he just did in less than 10 minutes would take me an entire day. And I still probably wouldn't have done it.
The funny thing is, this tire's probably worth more than this truck.
Not only a good tire change, but a quality tire.
Yeah. They specified they wanted Michelin's. I almost brought a Bridgestone. They would have lost their tree on that.
Done like dinner in less than 2 minutes. Hi everyone, nice to see you. I'm here driving my U-Haul back to the rental place. Driving around in Toronto traffic is terrible. Quite terrible indeed. If you know me, you know that I don't really believe in cars. So driving a truck's even worse than a car. Well, you can see how fast we're moving, and everyone tries to cut you off. It's like, because you're in a truck, they think they can just cut you off. It also feels extra lonely when you're driving all alone. When you're on a motorcycle and you're alone, it just feels faster. We have a 50 speed limit, and we are traveling at a steady pace of 30 kilometers an hour. Welcome back. We're here on an adventure. I don't even know where I'm going. This is like a vlog. I don't do vlogs. I don't like vlogs because I don't feel comfortable. I feel shy. I know you might not see it because I seem like such a character, but deep down inside I'm just really shy. Yeah, so when I have the camera on me, it makes me feel vulnerable. And, you know, I guess I like feeling vulnerable too. It makes me feel like I'm so real. It's like even now I feel pressured to talk and I don't know what to say. Like, who am I? Do I drive a truck? No, that's just not what I do. Driving in a truck. I'm driving in a truck up the street. I'm driving in a truck. I'm driving in a truck. It's hard not to push down my feet. I just feel like I should be like waving at people like, hello, sir, hi, how are you? The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow there'll be sun. Just thinking about tomorrow. La 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 la. There'll be sun. Just think about a day that's gray and lonely, like today. Just stick up my chin and grin and say, please take me home. I just want to relax. I don't want to drive no more. I'm stuck in this U-Haul and I want to be home. I don't want to drive at all. I know. I shouldn't be a hairdresser. I should have been a singer, actor, tap dancer. I have often walked down the street before, but the pavement always stayed beneath my feet before. All at once am I several stories high, knowing I'm on the street where you live. Are there lilac trees in the heart of town? Can you hear a lark in any other part of town? Does enchantment pour out of every door? No, it's just on the street where you live. Oh, what a feeling to know somehow you are near. The overpowering feeling that any second you may suddenly appear. People stop and stare, they don't bother me, for there's nowhere else on earth that I would rather be. Let the time go by, I don't care if I can be here on the street where you live. Yeah! Let me stop right here, I have to get some gas. The kind that you put in a car, not out your bum. I will stop right here and get some gas, and then I will continue my song. Okay, so I just put some gas in because you got to do that when you take a truck places. Anyways, I got some NOS to help me refuel. I'm not sponsored by them or anyone. No one has discovered my talent yet. Oh. So good and terrible at the same time. Okay, my pipes are nice and wet. Let's do it. This truck, it tells you things. It's like, passenger side door is not open. My motorcycle never tells me stuff like that. And we are back on the road. And there's jaywalkers. Let's run them over. Ooh, and a police car right there. Every time I see the police, I feel like I'm getting in trouble. And what else? Every time I see people on motorcycles, like I'm ready to do the hey, peace. I have often walked down the street before, but the pavement always stayed beneath my feet before. All at once am I several stories high, knowing I'm on the street where you live. Are there lilac trees in the heart of town? Can you hear a lark in any other part of town? Does enchantment pour out of every door? No, it's just on the street where you live. Oh, what a feeling to know somehow you are there. The overpowering feeling that any second you may suddenly appear. People stop and stare. They don't bother me, for there's nowhere else on earth that I would rather be. Let the time go by. I don't care if I can be here on the street where you live. Well, this is difficult. I'm in the middle of an intersection and two people are passing me and one person's cutting me off and now another one's cutting me off. Let the time go by. I don't care if I can be here on the street where you live. You know, those people were watching me sing. Here we go. Done. Woo. We made it. Okay, that's leaving the truck, and we still have moving stuff. Waiting for my Uber.